Never a dull moment when out teaching our learners how to descend a hill using gears. On today's lesson, we've caught up to a cyclist doing about 20 to 30 kilometres an hour down the hill, going around a blind corner with double white lines because it's not safe to pass. We've stayed back to give them space. In doing so, we've had another 3 cars catch up to us. The last of the 3 cars, this blue BMW, decides that, they want to get in front of everyone, so overtake us on a blind bend and then also overtake the cyclist on a blind bend with double white lines. Luckily, this silver car, left home a couple of seconds late this morning, otherwise the outcome would have been totally different. Please give cyclists room and respect. It's not hard to share the road. If you can't get around, give them space until it's safe to overtake. And enjoy your driving.